Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to remove these doorknobs. This is what we call the interior knob with visible screws, and on the other side, this is what we call the exterior knob without any visible screws. This part right here is called the latch. Notice that the beveled side is facing the strike plate. Facing the beveled side of the latch towards the strike plate makes it easier for the latch to slide into the strike plate. Now let's remove this interior knob by removing these two screws. After removing these screws, we can finally remove these knobs. I just want to show you guys how a knob and latch works from the inside. Next, we can now remove this latch assembly by removing these two screws. After removing the latch assembly, we can now remove this strike plate. So we finally remove everything, but what if we want to install new doorknobs? We will just install in reverse order as we did on how to remove these doorknobs. Notice that the beveled side of the latch is facing towards the strike plate. When installing these screws, it's okay to push these screws so that we can have enough room to drive these screws. Because if we don't push these screws, the screwdriver's tip will not go all the way inside the slot of the screw, because the screwdriver is sideways. So we finally installed our doorknobs. Thanks so much for all your support and thanks for watching. Have a good one. Take care everyone.